Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Facebook Business Manager invitation link. This is incredibly useful when you need to grant access to external partners or managers who'll be helping run your Facebook business page, and having a direct invitation link makes the whole process much smoother. First, head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts and click on your Facebook business page. This takes you directly into your business management area where you can control all aspects of your page. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, you'll need to locate Meta Business Suite on the left navigation menu. This is Facebook's central hub for managing all your business tools and settings. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. Now you'll be directed to the Meta Business Suite homepage. Here's where things get a bit more detailed. Look towards the top left part of your screen where you'll see a profile drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow and you'll be presented with a list of all the businesses and business portfolios you've linked up to your Meta Business Suite. This gives you a comprehensive view of everything connected to your account. From this list, click on the gear icon, which represents your business settings. This is the control center where you'll manage permissions and access. Under the business settings page, you'll need to find the user section. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with various options. From these options, click on Partners. This section is specifically designed for managing external access to your business page. Now, if you've already sent a manager invitation previously, you'll see a list of Facebook business managers displayed here. This list shows everyone who currently has or has been invited to have manager access to your business. If the person you invited hasn't accepted yet, or if you need to resend the invitation, simply click on Copy Link to request next to their name. This action copies the manager invitation link directly to your clipboard. This link is what you'll be sending out to the manager you wish to assign, and they can use it to accept the invitation and gain access to your Facebook business page. And that's it. You now have your Facebook Business Manager invitation link ready to share with whoever needs access to help manage your business page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.